Hi, this is Pearl and welcome to my channel. Today I am going to do a process video for days 15 and 16 in my December daily. What I want to do is, my daughter had her first manicure and pedicure. She'd been asking to do this for 2 years, and I said if she could sleep in her own bed for 5 nights in a row without coming to my room in the middle of the night, I would take her. And this is a process because this is the first time she was able to do that. So I have some pictures of her doing her mani-pedi. I'm going to use this that I made during the December Daily Divas prep party. What I did was, these chipboards were in the Felicity Jane Noel kit. And then I cut, using circle punches, a bunch of different 6x6 papers into, I think this is 1 inch. 1 inch and 1.5 inch, I think, is the different things that I made. I had originally just die cut using the silhouette, a big circle here, and I think this is 3.5 inches. So I have this here. If you can see here, I have the word magic stamped all across this page. And then I used VersaFine, the watermark, and then I embossed it with clear embossing powder. And the ink pad, or the glue pad, was a little bit dirty, so it's a little bit dark in some places, but that's okay. So that's what I made during the December Daily Divas party when I met with my girlfriends. So now I am going to make this as a flip up like this, but I want to see, I did my journaling on a 6x8 paper, and these are from the Felicity Jane Cozy Kit. And then I just printed it out on a 6x8 paper, just the story about her finally sleeping in her bed. So it's going to look like this. I just need to decide what picture I'm gonna put in here. So I have several out. I think I'm gonna do that. Do I want it lifted up? Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna have it so that it's raised a little bit. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put some puffy stickers around like this. Oh no, that's not gonna work. Never mind. Okay, let's just go ahead and adhere this down. I'm just gonna put some adhesive all around here. And then what I want to do is, this is going to go up like this, and so it'll be like this. So I'm going to adhere my journaling onto here. And then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to trim off the rest. So now that it's going to look like this, I want it to flip up like this. I think I'm going to put this 6x8 picture of my daughter in as the photo. So let me cut this out. So I think I'm going to do this. Put this in here like this, so it goes like this. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. Okay, so I just need to put the number 15 on there. Here's my number 15. Where am I going to put that? And then I need to put a tab down here, something to indicate that it opens like that. And this is the Avery Index 2-inch tabs. And I'll have to stamp something here. I have magic again. I guess I could stamp that magic again. This is from the Felicity Jane Noel kit. I have magic here. Yeah, I'm just gonna print that out. Stamp that out. And I'm gonna use the Stays on Olive Green ink for this one. Oh no, the light is changing. And then I'm gonna want to put it on the bottom of this paper. And because this has a lot of embellishments here, all I'm gonna do is add the 15 somewhere. Okay, so what I've done is I've cut a piece of cardstock 6 by just over 2 inches. I'm gonna score this down the middle, and then I'm gonna adhere this that way, so that I don't have to put washi tape up there. Using my boning folder. Now what I'm gonna do is, I need to take this apart. I need to stick that in between these two. Thank goodness for repositionable tape. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this right there. Yep, that works. I got this idea from, oh, what's her name? Taziana? I'll link her down below. I've been watching her December daily albums. Okay. There. I like how that turned out. Okay, so let's see if I want to add any embellishments here. I want to use up more of these die cuts. Yep, I'm just going to put this on there, and I'm going to put these on just to give it a little dimension. Okay, I think I'm just going to keep that like that. And here's day 15. Okay, I just need to put the 15 somewhere. I think I'll put it right there. I'm using my Scotch quick dry adhesive. Okay, there we have it. Day 15, I'm calling that done. So let's go on to day 16. I'm gonna use this picture of us going to see the Grinch. I just did a 6x8, and I'm just gonna stick that in there. I wanna put the number 16. I'll probably just do something like that and keep it simple. If I do it down here. Now the problem is, I have this program, but it's 8.5 by 11, and I wanted to stick it into here. This is a folder I made using hexagons and folding them, and I just put some Nuvo drops right in the middle, and I wanted to stick the program in there, but it's too big. I mean, I don't want it sticking out, right? Because I could put an acetate in there, but I don't necessarily want that sticking out like that. Okay, so I'm gonna need your help. How do I include this into our album? Please leave a comment down below. I'm so curious because I do want to include this because I've done it before. I'm gonna put that aside for now. I'm just gonna adhere this down using my Scotch quick dry adhesive. And there's so much going on in this picture that I'm not gonna add anything else. If I add it up here, it's gonna add to this bulk. Yeah, but I'm still gonna add it there. And there you have it, my day 15 with this flip up, and day 16. So for day 17, it needs to go behind here. And what I did was I just cut out, I printed out this picture of me having coffee in front of the fireplace, because for once it was quiet. With 4 kids in the house, I don't get that very often. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut this down. I printed this 9x7. Now I printed this 9x7 knowing that I was gonna cut the excess off, but I wanted to adhere it here first and then cut the excess off. So let me go ahead and do that now. So I want the bottom to match up. There we go. Yep, and then I'm just gonna cut this excess off. Then I'm gonna punch holes using this as a guide into using the We Are Memory Keepers hole puncher. I think I had used the 6-hole puncher earlier for this, but I wanna make sure these line up perfectly, so I'm just gonna put these in here like that. Now I gotta think about how I wanna embellish this, and I want something like all is calm. So let me look through my stamps and I'll be right back. I forgot I had these puffy stickers, and so I think I'm going to use the word cozy. Just trying to figure out where to put that, and I think I'm just going to put it up here in this corner. And then I just need to put the number 17. Okay, I think I'm going to put it there. So I'm going to use my Scotch Quick Dry adhesive. I feel like I need to do something else to make a triangle of 3s. Okay, I think I'm going to use this one. And to glue that tree down, I'm going to use my Tombow Mono Multi liquid glue. This works on a multitude of different kinds of surfaces. And there you have it, my day 17. So today I went over day 6-15 with this flip up. And then on the back of that is this with the pocket. I can't lift it up yet, or maybe I can. The tree won't fall off. And I need to figure out how to put the program in here or include the program somehow. If the program doesn't work, I'm going to just add more pictures from that day. And then my day 17. Well, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.